Hi, this is Eric with ForgeCon Conclusions. Today we're going to be repairing some earrings. We have 14 karat earrings here, and this one has lost its little earring wire. So it looks like a pin rivet, and it is in good shape. So this is a pair here. And what we're going to be doing is removing this one here and repurposing this earring wire onto that. So our earrings here, they have the earring wires and they're pinned and riveted. So what we're gonna have to do is remove the rivet from this one and then remove the rivet from that and then put it through, make sure it fits, and then make a new rivet for it. Okay, there's the piece. All right, so we have ground down the rivet on this one, and we removed the rivet and earring wire from here. So we're gonna attach this one onto here, and since I removed the a little bit of the flange of the rivet, it's still long enough where I can reuse the rivet. So we're just going to put this on through, close everything together, and then remake the rivet essentially, and then that's kind of it. So I made sure that the hole on this earring wire was the right size. I brought these together, cleaned them up, and then brought it so that way its tension's holding it in. So now I can just put the rivet in and get that part taken care of. We've attached our rivet through, and we have a little bit hanging out, and now we have to make sure that we mush down the metal so that way it doesn't go through anymore. So we're gonna lock the rivet in place. Right, so we've done it. We've put our earring wire and rivet onto our earring that was missing it. As you can see, we've got both our earring wires and now they're ready to wear. All right, thanks for joining us. This is Eric with ForgeCon Conclusions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. Bye.